Hey everyone, I have another big surprise. From now on, every month there will be a new washi tape box. This will be not a subscription box, but just a one-time box you can purchase whenever you want. It will be shipping every Monday or Tuesday with other regular orders. This box will always contain 8 washi tapes with 3 regular size washi tapes and 5 skinny size washi tapes. Also, 2 of those washi tapes will always have foil accents. Let me show you a little bit closer. Aren't they pretty? The box is now available to order.